neighbor? I guess he is, and I didn't know. Yeah, I didn't even know. Yeah. The girl he's married to is a good neighbor. She's a nice girl. So what you got for us today, Steve?
Ready?
I don't have very good news for you.
You don't?
No, the premium's going up.
Five figures.
Yeah, it runs in cycles. It's been several years since you've all had a premium increase. It's going across the board with everybody in municipal. And basically, you were paying $99,000 last year. First quote they gave me, they came in with $123,684. You don't need to write that down. I said, whoa, wait a minute. So anyway, I got them back down, and it's $118,268 on renewal.
It didn't raise that much.
Beg your pardon?
Didn't raise that much, did it? 118?
$19,000.
$18,000.
Yeah.
Wow, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the total figure?
$118,268.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Now, there's three reasons I gave you for that. Basically, your exposure has increased about 8%. That means we've increased buildings, we've added automobiles, your budget's increased, doesn't it? The other 8% was just basically pure rate increase. And then the other 8% was on our ambulances, which they screwed up last year. They didn't add it correctly.
Okay.
Okay. Now, one of the areas that your workers' comp round figures was $37,000 last year, and when they came back first time, they wanted 45, and it ended up being $43,416. And I went back to Brick Street. I said, let's see what you all can do.
More.
Yeah.
That's what I figured.
48,108. I could not find anybody else to consider. For some reason, workers' comp companies don't like municipalities. You all are good about it. You don't have a problem. Y'all get lumped into the same thing. So, anyway, from there. That's where we stand on it right now. And commercially, things are starting to change. It used to be what we call the soft market. That's turning around right now. Commercial insurance rates are going to start to go up. So,
We don't even encourage anybody to get commercial with State Farm now, it's so high.
so
When is our policy?
July 1.
July 1.
Yes, sir.
That was, big.
You've got coverage.
For how long?
That's for a year.
Now, wait a minute. July 1 was the new policy. Okay. All right. You're here asking us to renew it, correctly? Am I correct? Or have we already renewed it?
I have already instructed them to renew it, so you would have coverage after July 1.
Oh.
Okay? Now, I'm here telling you what the renewal price is, okay?
Yeah.
And of course, you have the option of not taking it if you don't want to, okay?
Right.
I'm not forcing something down your throat, okay?
Okay.
So that, okay?
So how long do we have to make a decision? We have to make it right now?
That's all, that's up to you all, okay?
I got a couple of questions. for our vote,
Okay.
okay? Why is the insurance company not furnishing us an attorney for our legal, that we're into this lawsuit?
Let me ask you a question. Has a lawsuit been filed?
Well, it's that they, and the attorney told us that they haven't moved forward with it, didn't they?
We have not been served.
No, we've not
We haven't been served.
We haven't been served,
We haven't been served.
yes,
So in other words, we can't do anything till we're served.
yes.
That's correct. All right, so if we do get served for a lawsuit, are you going to furnish?
Yes, sir.
Going
Yes,
to
sir.
furnish us an attorney?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are.
Yes, sir.
What do we do with the one we got now?
Well, I would say you'd have to say to him or her goodbye, because the insurance company's going to get who they've contracted with,
Oh, okay.
okay?
So we have no decision on who we're going to get.
No.
Basically, no.
Okay. But you will provide.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Now, that was my first question. Okay. Now, we need to look at some other companies to see where we stand on this price. Okay? That's my opinion. Okay? I've spoken all I need to speak.
We did that before, and he can't be paid, but.
Well, I don't remember seeing a quote. I don't remember anybody showing me a
Not
paper.
this year.
Okay, well, I'd like to see one.
Yeah, I say.
I'd like to see some other company give us a quote to see where we stand. That's just like anybody shopping for anything else. Would you buy the first thing you see and whatever the price is, you're gonna pay it, walk out the door?
I
No.
wonder with these claims if somebody else is gonna take it.
I don't know. I don't know.
Any other questions for me?
Do you have any questions, Jerry? I do want to say I certainly appreciate your kindness and your consideration and your fast responses to us. As far as I'm concerned, you're still my insurance company, but we'll see what happens.
That's fine.
We got a vote.
And Mr. Sandora, you're correct, you know, you have to check every once in a while to see what's going on. There's no question.
Yeah.
Shirley, can I get you to sign some uninsured
Sure.
and insured notice forms on this?
Yeah, can we get some laws changed about that? Do you have any pull in Washington anywhere about changing laws on this insurance stuff? Why do we pay for uninsured motors? I thought everybody had to have insurance.
But if they don't, then you're covered. That's
Wait a
your
minute.
coverage.
Wait a minute. The law says you must have insurance.
That is correct, sir.
Okay, so if somebody don't have insurance, huh?
Somebody sitting in the legislative office that day didn't have anything else to do, and they.
Well,
did
yeah,
that.
they're supposed to have insurance, but they don't have it, so we're paying for it.
That is, yeah, you're paying to protect yourselves against somebody that does not have.
You know anybody down in Charleston or Washington or anywhere? You know Obama?
No, actually, who you would want to talk to is your state legislative people. They're the ones who enacted this, and those are the ones who would have to change it.
That's ridiculous.
Well, I agree with you. I have no
You
problem.
gotta pay uninsured and
It's
underinsured.
not underinsured, it's not.
It's not, underinsured is not mandatory.
Well, you should have it though.
Yes,
Yeah.
that is correct.
Common sense tell you better have it. Sorry.
Which one? Yeah, right there, okay. Initial it?
Yeah.
today.
Third,
Today's the third.
if
When do you think we'll get served? Tomorrow? No, tomorrow's holiday. Friday.
as soon as you get your suit papers from them, you need to get them made, so I can get them with the insurance